Hello students, welcome back to another video. In this video, let's discuss about some more important questions of the chapter ITF. This is our question from your APC book, exercise 2.2, question number 3, bit 3. This is the important questions. Let's go for it. Taking left hand side. Why I will take left hand side, why not right hand side? Because we have formula 2 tan inverse x equal to cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square is the formula. That's why we will take left hand side. Tan inverse 1 divided by root 3 tan x by 2. Second step. We need a 2. So multiply 2 and divide 2. 1 by root 3 tan x by 2. Now put this formula. 1 by 2 times cos inverse, this is our x, 1 minus x square and 1 plus x square. Find LCM. We will get cos inverse 3 minus tan square x by 2 divided by 3 plus tan square x by 2. Okay. Here the angle is x by 2, but here the angle is x. That means here half angle, here full angle. We have to convert half angle into full angle. Using this formula, tan theta by 2 root over 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. This is the first year trigonometric formula. If you write a square here, we have to remove the square root. Now put here 1 by 2 times cos inverse 3 minus 1 minus cos square x by 1 plus cos square x, 3 plus 1 minus cos square x by 1 plus cos square x. Now find LCM, you will get right answer. Next question, cos inverse x plus cos inverse y plus cos y equal to 180, then prove that x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xyz is equal to 1. This is also your APC book, example 46. We can write cos inverse x plus cos inverse y. Take this term to another side, that is pi minus cos inverse z. And now apply type 10 formula. Cos inverse, what the formula? xy minus root over 1 minus x square root over 1 minus y square equal to pi minus cos inverse z. Take the function to another side. Cos inverse became cos. xy minus 1 minus x square to 1 minus y square equal to cos times pi minus cos inverse z. Cos 180 minus theta, that is equal to cos theta minus cos theta. It's first trigonometric formula, cos 180 minus theta minus cos theta, sorry, minus cos theta, this is our theta. Cos 180 minus theta is equal to minus cos theta, and cos in cos inverse we get only minus z. Here z is with xy term, and here the xy term, here the z term. Make it together. Take the z to the left hand side, xy plus z, and take this term to another side, root over 1 minus x square root over 1 minus square. Now simply squaring both sides, you will get this result. xy plus z whole square root over 1 minus x square root over 1 minus y square. X square y square plus z square plus 2xyz. Here square root and root cancel with each other and multiply these terms. 1 minus x square minus y square minus x square minus y square. X square y square cancel. Simply rearrange the terms, you will get this term. Similarly, question number 47, example number 47, 48. You can do it. Next question. Prove that tan inverse 1 by 2 tan 2a plus tan inverse cot a plus tan inverse cot cube a equal to 0. Taking left hand side, tan inverse. Put the formula of tan 2a. What is the formula of tan 2a? 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a plus tan inverse. Convert cot a in terms of tan a. That is 1 by tan a. We know that. And the last term, write in general and leave it. Taking these two terms, you can apply type 6 formula, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Tan inverse x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. 2 cancel, it contains only tan inverse tan a by 1 minus tan square a. And here tan inverse 1 by tan a. And the last term, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Tan inverse x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. And the last term. Now find LCM and simplify it. Here tan a cancel, and here find the LCM, that is tan square minus 1 minus tan square divided by this much, and here 1 minus tan square divided by minus 1 divided by 1 minus tan square. You can cancel these two terms. Here tan inverse tan square cancel. It contains only, here contains 1 by tan a, and here contains 1 cancel, only minus tan square a plus tan inverse cot cube a. And if you simplify here, we'll get tan inverse 1 by minus tan cube a, and this is equal to tan inverse 1 by tan cube a. And we know that is tan inverse minus x is equal to minus tan inverse x. We can take minus outside. Minus times tan inverse 1 by tan cube plus tan inverse 1 by tan cube. You can cancel these two terms. Answer is 0. Hence proved. I hope you like it. Thank you so much.